Hello guys. So today we will learn about Chat GPT vs Google Search. It is now trending technology which is using most of the time. So I will discuss about here whether Chat GPT will replace to Google Search. And so first we'll understand about this question and these questions. GPT stands for Generating Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of artificial intelligence AI that uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. Initial release date is 30 November 2022 and programming language used Python. Developers, OpenAI and Microsoft Corporations, and engineers used GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. So GPT 3.5 is a free version and GPT 4 is licensed version. And here we'll see this is a chat GPT and this is a Google search. So what is difference here? Here the artificial intelligence GPT having the suggestion with the generating a text as a like human. But here is the storage having the server machines having the disk and the location and it search the result and it give the outputs to the users. So next we'll understand by the diagram about this. First we'll here is a student and it will be used by professional, can be used, and here it will be use Google search, and here will be use student and professional and it will go here chat GPT. So what we see here, both we are showing same, then what is the difference Google search and chat GPT? Here Google search having a broad features like a mapping, map, storage, forms, docs, etc. and having a storage capacity which is searching from the machine, searching from the server, and this is a human like generating a text. And this is a more functions will be used by technical persons who are facing issue or any error or any bugs to resolve the issues. And this will be used by most of the time academic and preparing for the competitive examinations. So I hope you have understood. Let's see that how the chat GPT will be used. This will be your chat.openai.com, and once you have to open it and you have to register with the Gmail, and here you will see chat GPT is a free version and this is engine GPT 4. This is upgrade license versions. The Chat GPT 3.5, here we'll see send a message, and here like if I am sending any technical issues, you want to get a suggestion like a HTTP 505 error solutions suggestion needed. Once you are enter, then you are getting related to HTTP 505 error related resolutions. This is a check server logs, verify request headers, update or reconfigure server, check client settings, check proxy settings, clear browser cache, contact website support, and check network configuration, try a different network. So these are the solutions, these are the suggestions with respect to the errors of the HTTP 505 error. So this will help to the developer and engineers to get their work to fix or do the enhancement or development or the research of the root cause analysis. So that's about the I hope understood it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.